Now we're going to sketch y equal to sine 3/4 x. Remember, when we sketch, we always want to look at this general form, y equal a sine kx, where absolute A is the amplitude, and k is used for the period. We know the period is 2 pi divided by k. So our amplitude is 2, and k here is 3/4, so we have 2 pi divided by 3/4, which is 2 pi over 1 times 4 over 3. Remember, when we divide by a fraction, we rewrite the numerator and multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So we get 8 pi over 3 for the period. And if we're looking for the distance between the major tick marks, that is the period divided by 4. So this is 8 pi over 3 times 1/4. And I can reduce. So this is 2 pi over 3 for the distance between the major tick marks. Notice there is no phase shift because there's nothing added or subtracted in here outside after x. So let's look at, we're going to start at 0, and then we're going to add the distance to the next major tick mark. When I say major tick mark, we're graphing where sine is 0, 1, and -1. So we have 0, then we'll have 2 pi over 3, and then we'll have this plus another 2 pi over 3 is 4 pi over 3. Then we'll have 6 pi over 3, which is 2 pi. Then we'll have 6 pi over 3 plus 2 pi over 3, or 8 pi over 3. 8 pi over 3 plus 2 pi over 3 is 10 pi over 3, which reduces to just that, 10 pi over 3. Then we'll have 12 pi over 3, which is 4 pi. 14 pi over 3. 16 pi over 3, 18 pi over 3, which is 6 pi. So these are all of the major tick marks. So let's graph it. Okay. So I'm going to plot the tick marks. So this is 0, this is 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 2 pi, 8 pi over 3, 10 pi over 3, 4 pi, 14 pi over 3, 16 pi over 3, and 6 pi. We know sine starts out middle. Actually, into the amplitude. Amplitude is 1, 2. We know that sine starts out middle and then goes high, middle, low, middle, high, middle, low, middle, high on all of the major tick marks. So we connect them in a nice smooth curve. So I'm going to miss that one. And this is y equals 2 sine of 3/4 x, and notice that from 0 to 8 pi over 3, this is one period. Sine starts out at 0, goes up, down, and ends up back at 0, completes one cycle in that time. And there is another period from 8 pi over 3 to 16 pi over 3. There you go.